friends, I am here to discuss some special tricks with which we can check whether the given numbers are divisible by 21, 31, so on until 91 or not, just in 5 seconds friends, so that these will be helpful for our divisions without wastage of time. Okay friends, so let's start this with some examples. So coming to the first example, 1218, we are going to check whether this number is divisible by 21 or not. So ready friends? So see here what I am going to do. I am going to take this last digit and multiply it with 2. So what do I get friends? 16. That I am going to subtract from the remaining 3 digits what I have. So what do I get friends? This is 5 and this is 0 and this is 1. Okay friends? Next what I do, as the number is big, again I go with the same process. I repeat the process. That is nothing but I take 5 and multiply with 2. What do I get friends? 10. So subtract this 10 from the remaining 2 digits. So what I get? 0. Is 0 divisible by 21 or not? Yes, 0 is divisible by 21. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 21. So in this way, we can check whether the given number is divisible by 21 or not. What is the rule friends? So here we go like this. Multiply with 2 and subtract from the remaining digits. Okay friends, let's try with another example and let us check whether this number is divisible by 31 or not. Okay friends, so what to do here? So we take the last digit. In 31, what is the first digit we have? That is 10 plus 3. Multiply with 3. So what do we get friends? 12. That is subtract from the remaining digits. So what I get friends here? 2 and this is 7, 372. As the number is big friends, continue this process. So take last digit, multiply with 3. What do you get friends? 6. Subtract from the remaining digits. Then what do you get friends? 31. Is 31 divisible by 31? Yes. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 31. In this way, just in 5 seconds, we can decide whether the given number is divisible by 31 or not without wasting our time in division friends. Okay friends? So what is the rule friends for 31? So multiply with 3 and subtract from the remaining digits. Okay friends? Let us take another example and check whether this number is divisible by 41 or not. Okay friends? So what to do? Take the last digit. In 41, what is the first digit we have? 4. So multiply that with 4. Last digit with 4. So what do you get friends? 28. Subtract from the remaining digits. So if we subtract, what do you get friends? As 6 is small, so borrow from this. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 0, 4. As the number is big, repeat the process friends. So take the last digit, multiply with 4. What do you get friends? 32. That is subtract from the remaining 3 digits what we have. So borrow from here. And this is 10, this is 9, this is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6 and this is 369. As the number is still big, let us go for the process. Repeat the process. Last digit into 4. So what do you get friends? 9 4s are 36. Subtract from the remaining 2 digits. 0. So is 0 divisible by 41 friends? Yes. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 41. What is the rule friends? Into 4 and minus. Similarly, in this way and following this pattern, we can check for remaining all the numbers also friends. Let's see. What is this friends? Into 5 minus from the remaining digits. For 61 divisibility rule, into 6 and minus. 71 into 7 minus. Minus is nothing but subtract from the remaining digits, whatever you get the product. Okay friends, next. Into 8 and minus. Into 9 and minus. So in this way, you can check whether the given numbers are divisible by these numbers or not following these tricks friends. Hope these tricks are useful for you in doing your divisions in easy way. Not only this friends, you can find your prime factors easily because you have among them prime factors. Those are useful for you in doing prime factorizations of the numbers. Okay friends, so practice this with some more examples and check out friends. Hope you understood this trick. So if you like this video friends, subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much.